Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel Morris here, and we're on day 5 of Advent vlog, and I'm super excited for this one because today we are going to the Spadina Museum, and then we're ending the day off at a cozy cafe. So let's go check out the historic museum that's known for its architecture. Let's see what inside has to offer, okay? And the museum is perfectly located right beside the famous Castle Loma. Let's go see inside. It's definitely a snowy day. Where's the entrance? Oh, so pretty. I'm so excited for this. Oh, that door is locked. Let's see if it's around here. They open at 4. Huh. Oh my gosh. I got the entrance wrong. Okay, so the entrance is not there. The entrance is around here. Can you tell? Can you tell this is my first time here? Okay, it's around this side. Okay, these are the hours. Free guided tour, 45 to 60 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. This was the home of the Austen family. They were prominent figures in Toronto. James Austen was the founder of the Dominion Bank. The house showcases the lives of its former residents and highlights the elegant architectural details of the early 20th century. It also features exhibitions that explore the city's evolution and hosts engaging events that focus on Black history.
So this is her in her long dress uniform. And then this portrait, this was made in 2022 for an exhibit we had called Dismantle, where we imagined her as the lady of the house. So the Austens might have not had a ballroom, but they had a drawing room. Mm-hmm. This is where guests might retreat for a more larger gathering.
And then this is the garden room. And apparently there's this trap door that the gardener used to come up to take care of the plants in here, because the gardener wasn't allowed to walk outside in the front or through the house. These are some original toys.
The teddy bear looks a bit neat, or no?
And this chair is very unique because the ladies sit there with their long skirts and then the males sit at the smaller ones. Interesting. Wow. Okay, and this is the library, guys. And apparently that right there is a radio that he spent $500, equivalent to $8,000 in today's day. Can you see? This is Albert's room. And the trophies from the Olympics. Nice. Now it's time to go to the kitchen.
There you've got the butler's pantry. What the butler's pantry is once food is finished, they wheel it out there before they're ready to bring it into the dining room. Kitchen proper. This is where servants are cooking, and this is also where servants are eating. And beyond that, you've got the cold room where you can see an early sort of refrigerator. They're only having like food in here for parties and stuff, very big occasions. So like Christmas, for example, they're definitely getting the ice in. You can also tell they didn't really plan for the mold because...
Oh. And then in this room, you have where they would do the dishes and everything. Oh, and the dumbwaiter put laundry in. This is the dining room, guys. Now we're gonna go upstairs.
Now this is the Blue Picture Gallery, a room where Mary would entertain her closest female friends.
In the 1900s, women weren't allowed to be artists, so Mary created this room where she showcased all these female artists' work on her wall and everything. She couldn't have it in any of the main room just because it would be quite a scandal, apparently. This is what a walk-in closet looked like for a very wealthy family in the 1900s. Crazy. It still looks better than my closet right now. And this is the master bedroom and the master bathroom, and it's kind of interesting because in the design industry right now, some of these styles are coming back, like the gold vintage frames, the wallpaper, yeah, it's so interesting. This is an empty bedroom on the 3rd floor. And it has all its original wallpaper, painting, and everything. It wasn't restored, so this is what the original one looks like. Wow.
So for example, it was so cool, it was for the dress in that time period, except it was made entirely from materials. So now we have servant quarters. You can see that.
Okay, servant quarters. Let's go. Here's a servant quarter.
Look at all the light the Austins are getting.
Yeah.
And it's all the blue up here.
It's a lot of dark and musky.
Yeah, I think what's really weird about the costume is really the walk through
And this is one of the servant outfits. Wow.
Yeah, like dressed up as a nurse's assistant. You don't actually think she was a nurse?
Because in this video that nothing was said about her fate.
Strange, because her museum doesn't have any sort of reference for the moment as a nurse's aide. They're like, no, sorry, you don't know reference.
Okay, so right now I'm at the basement of the house and I'm going to look around and see what is down here. Let's explore the basement and see all the historical moments and treasures that are down here. Okay, so in this room, I guess this was the access to the gas shutoff valves. There was a huge fire here. There are some things that were kept from the fire and some historicals that were that are stored here too, so you can get to see it. And this goes all the way back. They didn't restore any of these areas, so you can see all of that. And then in here was the old kitchen. So you have your wood stove that's right there. This was the stove. Wow. And then the fireplace is right there. Wow. And this is the burn feature. So this is some evidence of the fire from the house. Here's some little bit history. You can pause that and read if you'd like. And more history. Oh, and look, this is where we are right now. So interesting. And then this is what in this room used to look like. So that fireplace, that is where I showed you just now. And then this is the oven that I showed you. Okay, so this is interesting. So 1920s versus 2020s. They wanted to do a comparison on how the youths looked in the 1900s and in the 2000s. So let's go see what they discovered. Ooh, look at those shoes. Wow. Oh, okay, so influencers, flappers. Huh, interesting. You get some purse. Cool. This is very cool, guys. There's a lot of history and the comparison to like technology back then and the 2000, photography back then and the 2000, and then also fashion back then and the 2000. These students did a great job in comparing that. This is outside. The tour has ended, but in the summertime, I'm definitely coming back to see the gardens. Wow. Okay guys, that is the end of the tour of the Spadina Museum, and it's called Spadina, I think she said, but it was pretty cool. A lot of history. The interior design is amazing. It's so cool because I'm very into that stuff, so it was nice to see. Let's go to the cafe. Okay, I had to come in the car and warm up, but wow, there's a lot of history there at the museum. Well, of course it's a museum, so there's a lot of history, but I was mostly impressed by the interior design, the architecture and everything. It is phenomenal. For being back then, it is, wow, mind-blowing. So yeah, I'm glad you guys came with me. So let's go to the cafe and let's enjoy some nice London fog to warm me up and a snack. So I'm gonna go to Midfar Boutique Cafe. This is so cute. I'm gonna go in the back area and work. He said it's a little bit quiet back here, which I am all for. Ooh, this is perfect. Look at this. It's a singular table too.
I didn't mention you should sit here.
Pardon me?
I didn't mention that you have to sit here. I said you can if you want.
Oh no, this is perfect. This is honestly
You
perfect.
can sit both.
Yeah, thank you,
Good.
thank you. No, this is perfect, thank you. So I ordered the turkey sandwich. It looks so good. And then the London fog. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. That's the end of Advent day number 5. Press the like button down below if you enjoyed this detailed tour of Spadina Museum. And I got a little work done. Now I have to go pick up PRE. But yeah, press the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. But you girl gotta go. Bye.